When I bought my 2009 BMW 335i, I just knew I didn't want a black interior anymore. I didn't like how hot the black interior got on my 328i. I didn't like how it showed all the dirt and stuff that got tracked into the car so easily. It's just a number of reasons, so I got this one with a gray interior. But one thing I really didn't think about when I got it was that I didn't like the way the wood clashed with the gray interior with the black dashboard. It just was like a third color that didn't really look like it belonged. And I thought to myself, I need to do something about this. And my friend Eddie, his 335i has the brushed aluminum interior, and I thought about that. And then I thought, you know, that's not really, it's gonna be a third color because we're gonna have the black dashboard, we're gonna have an aluminum trim, and then the gray interior. Plus I've already put black door handles on the front and rear passenger side doors to replace the nasty sticky handles that are there. So, and if you need anything on that information, I have a video about it, so go check that out if you need to replace your door handles. Pretty straightforward process. And I think the black, it turned out really well. And then I thought, what about carbon fiber? Some of these cars have carbon fiber trim in them. I'm not sure if they come that way from the factory or if people have just done it, but you know, I hadn't seen one with the gray interior that way, but I thought it would look really good. So I went ahead and ordered some vinyl wrap. Now, I ordered a 5 by 1.5 foot roll, but I definitely recommend getting the 5 by 3 unless you're really good at this, because I had to order a second roll, even just for a little bit. So it's the second time recently I made a mistake like that. I did that with the vacuum lines too, under ordering what I needed. But a 5 by 3 foot roll will be plenty to do all the trim pieces in the car. And I think that this carbon fiber trim it makes the car look a lot more sporty, makes it look like 5 years newer in my opinion. Now, my vinyl wrapping skills are not perfect. I didn't do a DIY video on it for that reason, and that it's just sort of something you gotta do. It takes a long time. You kind of going over it again, re-stretching the vinyl, trying to make it not have any creases. And this was my first successful vinyl wrap attempt. I attempted vinyl wrapping one time before and it was just horrible. And I was kind of reluctant to try it again, but it went really well. I did the door trim pieces first, and I found them to be the easiest piece. Each one of them came out, I wouldn't say flawless, but there were no visibly exposed flaws. There are a few little crinkles and stuff on the top flat piece, but that's underneath the leather. You can't see it. There are some imperfections, particularly around the vents and where I had to, in the center console, where I had to remove the cup holder where the iDrive unit would be in cars that are equipped with iDrive, and where the ashtray goes, or in case of some cars where that little open pit near the radio is. But it looks really good, as you can see from all these shots I've overlaid and everything. It is so much better looking than the wood trim, and I highly recommend anybody trying to just refresh their interior just a little bit, go out and spend $25 on some vinyl wrap. It will really bring your car to life, especially if you drive an older car that might have faded interior or anything. And like I said, this doesn't have to be for a BMW. It doesn't have to be for an E90. You could do this for any car out there that has removable trim that you think just needs to be refreshed or fixed because it's peeling. I also did the steering wheel because it was peeling, and that also was pretty easy. Anyway guys, it's getting really windy out here. We got a hurricane coming tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign off this video here because I don't know how much wind noise is coming into this camera. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.